Hey guys, what's up? It's Runa. Today I am just sitting down in front drinking some coffee. It's like homemade coffee, you guys. You know, I gotta watch my calories. I can't be doing Starbucks like every single day. Nothing like super serious, just a chit chat. Get ready with me, chill, relax, no drama type of thing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start out with my skincare. Y'all know I always do skincare first. I always do Clarins. So I love this Clarins. It has actually turmeric in it, and it's a serum. Another little tip, you guys, I actually only rinse my, I've been trying this, because I have dry skin, you know. I've been only rinsing my face with water in the morning and just kind of using like a hydrating toner in the morning, and I haven't been washing my face with soap. Some people say that washing your face too much can actually dry it out, which I do agree with that. So I kind of stopped doing that, and oh my gosh, you guys, such a game changer. Washing my face in the morning kind of did dry out my skin, and now I just make sure I get a good cleanse in at night. And then in the morning, I just like wipe it down with a little bit of a hydrating toner, and it has really changed up my skin. I don't have as dry skin, which is really amazing. So for moisturizer, I've been super obsessed with the Glam Glow Water Burst. You need very little, like that is so little compared to like all my other creams that I use. Also gonna go in with some sunblock. I'm gonna use my Shiseido SPF 50 sunblock, y'all. I think this is very important. I love to wear sunblock. Remember, I do my skin prep before I even go into my brows. Skin prep is so important to me. I feel like a lot of the time people just forget about really taking care of their skin, and then they ask me like, what's the secret to having like amazing foundation application? I'm like, okay, well, the first secret is taking care of your skin, which is the #1 secret. Like, people be like, how do I get a flawless finish? And then they don't want to put any work for it. So yeah, ladies, get that work in. Moisturize your face, moisturize your face, and give your face and your skin some tender love and care. So I'm gonna go into the Soft Glam palette. I already did a review on this on the YouTube channel. I'll link it down below so you guys can refer to that video and see if this is a worth it palette or not. But since I have it, I thought I would do a couple of looks with it, so why not? So I'm just gonna go in with this color Sienna right here. Using a new technique, I'm actually going in with the dark color first, and then I'm gonna use a lighter color to kind of blend it out. I went in with a darker color was because I feel like I could blend out the darker color a little bit better without this transition color. I don't know, I feel like I was liking how that looked better. Cypress Umber, and I'm gonna put that into my crease, into like deepen the crease. That in there to deepen the crease. I'm gonna go in a little bit more and deepen it up a little bit more. And then I'm gonna go back in with Sienna, and I'm going to blend this all out. Okay. And then I'm just going to really quickly clean up this area. So now I'm going back in, and I'm just kind of like making a little area for like my, now I'm gonna go in with a very tiny detailing brush. One thing I need to buy more, you guys, is detailing brushes, because I don't have a lot. So in the center, I'm just gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna go in with glistening in the center, you know, keep it like nice and simple. Put that in the center of my lid. Ooh, that looks good, y'all. Why does that look so pretty? Oh my god. So guys, that's pretty much an easy halo eye. I'm gonna move on to my foundation. I'm gonna finish this eye, and then I'm gonna move on to my foundation and finish up my face. So I'm just gonna go ahead and now cover the whole face up with this foundation. I love this foundation, you guys. It's so bomb. I know this foundation is a hit or miss for some people, but it wasn't like that for me. I actually like it on my skin, but I also think this foundation is really good for people with super dry skin. Oh, I forgot to put on eye cream tonight. it today. I usually put on eye cream at night. So I'm just going to go ahead and conceal on my under eyes. I'm going to use this YSL Touche Colette on my under eyes because I have it available right now, and why not? So I'm just taking my Laura Mercier powder, you guys, and I'm just kind of dabbing it in to my under eye, and I'm going to kind of, I really like to blend a little bit. And what that's going to do is just going to set the under eye so it does not move. I'm going to just set my foundation everywhere. I usually don't do this part because, I don't know, I don't really like how it looks. I feel like it makes my face look a little ashy. But sometimes I do it when I'm just in a rush and I don't have time to really focus on complexion too much. And I feel like it just gives it like a look. Now I'm going to go into a bronzer, and I'm just going to bronze up my skin. I'm using the Bobbi Brown bronzer today. I really love this Bobbi Brown bronzer because it goes on very smoothly and there's no problem. I'm not really doing a contour today, just more of like bronzy cheeks. I don't do contouring every single day, so I'm just going to use the bronzer just to kind of warm up my skin. So now I'm just using a face powder and I'm blending out my my bronzer. So it could look, you see how it just settled, see how it's intense over here and then subtle over here? It's all in blending, it's all in about blending in the lines. You always want to blend in the lines. You don't want to always ever have anything harsh. Keep the lines nice and blended. See, it's nice and blended now. Now I'm gonna go in with a highlighter. So lately I've, you know, kind of put aside a collection of highlighters that I've been really into, and I've been literally obsessed with the Amrezy highlighter. So you know, that's exactly what I'm gonna put on. This is so gorgeous, like OMG. Ooh, let's do this glow. Come on. Wow. I am shook to the core with this. I wonder if people look at me on the streets like I'm crazy when I have so much glow on. Like, they're like, damn, this bitch is like glowing. The glow up is real. Now I'm going to go in with the blush. I'm going to go in with MAC Peaches. And I love MAC Peaches. I feel like it's such a good blush color. So for my under eyes, I'm just going to go in with Sienna. And I'm just going to apply that to my under eye. And then I'm just going to go into Cypress Umber. And I'm going to focus it only on the outer. I'm not going to bring this color in because it's going to just weigh my eye down. So I'm going to only focus it on the outer. Go ahead and add a little bit of this, you know, Midnight Cowboy onto the center. So for my inner corner, I'm not going to go with anything super highlighty. I'm just going to go in, well, this is super highlighty, but it's not going to be as super highlighty in my inner corner. So just going in with the Amrezy palette. The Amrezy highlight is very fierce, but it's very wearable. These type of lipstick have to be my favorite. These pencil form lipsticks, they're just so easy to put on. So now I want to put on some lip gloss. Now I'm going to go into the Kevyn Aucoin Molten Lip Color. It's just a gloss, and I'm going to dab it on the center because I am just loving how these glosses look. I don't know if the Kardashians got me into it, but I mean, I love a glossy lip now. So now all I gotta do is put on some lashes. Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. It was pretty fun doing this little chit chat, get ready with me. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye!